Hello everybody and welcome to the 2020 Unity course. So the first thing that you'll see when you open Unity Hub is this. So first off you have the Projects tab, which will display all of your current projects. Next you have the Learn tab, which will give you any sort of template for whatever you might need in Unity. Third, you have the Community tab, and fourth, the Installs. Alright, so what we're going to do right here is create a new project. So what we want to do is have a 2D project right now. And I'm just going to name this Test Project. So the first thing you're going to notice is this Scene tab right here. This is where you'll be able to build your game. And this box right here, the main camera, is what the player will see. For example, if you switch to the Game tab, you'll see default blue since there's nothing there. But say we want to add some things into our scene. Shocking, right? So the first thing you're going to do is go to the asset store. I've already pulled this up right here. These are the platform game assets free. So I'm just going to import it. Alright. So right here, I'm just going to leave everything checked since we do need all of these. Anything you uncheck will not be imported along with the rest of the pack. So I'm just going to click import. As you can see, there's now something in the assets folder called Byte Games. If you click on that, you'll get the free platformer assets. And this README is just, thank you guys for downloading. Cool. So now we can finally get to building.